I am holding this stick with no hands. One of the cool things about this stick, is that it goes really high in the air. Even higher. Every time you see this, there! I think I got it this time. Alright, every time I see this stick go in the air, alright, we're going to let it burn next time. So really quick practice. When I throw this up in the air, I want everybody to go. Fire! Alright, we're going to go with it. No, I have to do it. When it goes up in the air, you go. And when it comes back down, 1, 2, 3. Yes, I know. I know. Fire is very unpredictable. Yes, that's right. We had one clapper. You can clap at any time.